Alright, saw some baby trees today, so I protected them. These are probably pecans. The squirrels planted. And I protected 5 baby trees today. 1 and 2 near the back patio. Look at this cute little baby. How tall are you? Huh? As tall as my hand? No. So little. And let's see, there's one over here protected with a tomato cage. That one got mowed last mowing a little bit, but it survived. This is to keep the lawnmower from mowing them over. Find some way to protect them. This one I put cans from the recycle bin into the ground just to keep the mower from mowing down this little baby tree. Huh. See, I want to grow. We need more trees in this yard. We only got one back here in the backyard. Look at this backyard. One tree. Time for gratitude for the free trees. All right, so we got the 3-4 protected back here, and then one in the front. And this is the east side of the house. Now we're headed on the south side of the house. You always want deciduous trees on the south side of the house. Trees that drop their leaves in the winter so that I can't get out the gate without 2 hands. How come? Okay, that's sad. This thing is tricky. Oh, I opened it and then I locked it. Here we go. Sticks. I protected one right out here in the front with another tomato cage. That's 5 babies. Look how cute you are. And this is what it looks like after you protected it. It's up to my waist this year. Look at that cute baby tree. Volunteers, let your volunteers grow. Be careful with your mowing. Protect baby trees first. Free food. Pecans. Namaste.